A tool that can become your best friend while doing WhatsApp marketing. A tool that can protect your WhatsApp number from getting banned. A tool that helps improve your WhatsApp trust score day by day. Yes, today we will talk about a tool that can be a big game changer in your marketing world. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about WhatsApp Warmer. And if you don't know what WhatsApp Warmer is, don't worry, because in this video, I will not only explain what WhatsApp Warmer is, but also show you step by step how to use it. And also, how to use it for free. If you are doing WhatsApp marketing from a number and only WhatsApp messages are being sent from your number without receiving any messages, then WhatsApp assumes that you are spamming, which results in your WhatsApp number getting banned. But there's no need to worry because WhatsApp Warmer is an advanced automated tool that is specially designed to increase your incoming messages. With the help of this tool, you can have conversation between your multiple WhatsApp numbers, where each individual number will automatically receive messages from all the other numbers. This process strengthens the authenticity of your accounts in WhatsApp sites, which is especially important if you are doing mass messaging or marketing. Basically, just like sports players warm up their bodies before playing to perform well and avoid injuries, similarly, we use WhatsApp Warmer before running any campaign on WhatsApp to increase the response rate and reduce the risk of getting banned while sending bulk messages. If you are doing WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp Warmer is very important for you. Let me explain with an example. Suppose you bought 10 new numbers for marketing purposes, and as soon as you buy them, you immediately start WhatsApp marketing from those numbers. Doing this will definitely lead to your WhatsApp number getting banned. And by the way, this is not only for new WhatsApp numbers. Even if your WhatsApp number is old but does not have incoming messages, there's still a very high chance of it getting banned. This means that whether your WhatsApp account is new or old, it should have a good quantity of incoming messages from different senders. And if you try to do all this by yourself, it will take you a lot of time. That's why people use WhatsApp Warmer. By using it, hours of work can be done in just few minutes. Now, let's see step by step how to use WhatsApp Warmer and also how to use it for free. Step number 1. Search and open official.vokies.com. Step number 2. Log in if you already have a subscription and sign up if you want to use it for free. Step number 3. Click on Account Manager. Step number 4. Click on Add WhatsApp Profile. Step number 5. Scan and log in more WhatsApp accounts by clicking Add WhatsApp Profile. Step number 6. Click on WhatsApp Manager and then click on WhatsApp Warmer. Step number 7. Create a new Warmer. Step number 8. Select your WhatsApp accounts and give a name to your Warmer. Step number 9. Select a date and time for your Warmer. Step number 10. Set the minimum and maximum duration between your random messages. We suggest you take a minimum of 120 seconds and maximum of 180 seconds. And step number 11. And the last step, click on Schedule. Now, you don't need to do anything else. WhatsApp Warmer will do all the work for you. Yes, in case you want to pause the Warmer, you can click here. Well, now you can also use WhatsApp Warmer for absolutely free. Official.vokies.com provides you a 7-day free trial where you only need to sign up once and you can use WhatsApp Warmer unlimited times for the next 7 days. And to be honest, 7 days are sufficient enough to warm up your multiple WhatsApp numbers. Coming to the end, I just want to say one thing. If you want to do WhatsApp marketing and also want to protect your number from getting banned, then WhatsApp Warmer is a very important tool for you. That is it for this video. I will see you again in our next video. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.